Hey, it's cold out here. It's supposed to snow today, but I don't think it's gonna snow. Well, yeah, it's really cold out here. Look, take a look. Flooding. This is normal. This is very, very normal for us. Let's see. Ooh, it's cold. I think I'm gonna go back inside. See? That's the highway over there. And over here it's pretty much flooded over there. See? Can't zoom in? Okay. Oh yeah, it's pretty much flooded over there underneath all the trailers and everything. Well, I guess whenever it starts snowing, I'll come back to you. Alright. Bye, Sahani.